In this lecture, we will learn how to enter a matrix in Scilab using for loops. So first we will write CLC to clear the console, clear to clear the memory of Scilab. Now we will write two for loops. For I is equal to 1 colon 3, for j is equal to 1 colon 3. So we are entering a 3 into 3 matrix. First for loop is used to enter the rows. Second for loop is used to enter the column. Now we will write the command capital A I comma j is equal to, okay, and now we will close both the loops and this double quotes, the matrix A is comma A. So this command will display the matrix A, and on the top of the above for loop we will write this double quotes enter matrix output matrix A. So let us enter the elements of matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we can see the matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.